Everybody, this is a video tutorial on how to send us videos. Number one, a walk around. Walk around the entire vehicle and use your finger to point out any little imperfection, just like this. Tiny little chips, scratches on the entire car, whether there's a little bit of a curb rash on the wheel, anything like that. Here you go. Keep moving. I'm just gonna do a quick just so that you guys don't get so bored, but you get the idea. Walk around the car. Oh, there's a little dent here. Point that out. Little stuff here. Right, the wheel. Anything like that. Also, make sure you include the underside of the front bumper. Number two. Now, show us the interior of the car. Use your finger to point out any little wear and tear that we might have missed, whether it's scuffing on the seat, a little bit of a tear here, any parts of the trim that might be scratched, cracked, or damaged in any way, shape, or form. You can go around, show us on the passenger side as well. The doors, okay, there's a little bit of wear and tear here. This little crack right there. Show us the headliner so that we can make sure it's not sagging, the rear seats. Any damage, point it out. And then, in the same video, go here and simply start the car up. Now, with the car running, we want to make sure that there are no lights on the dash. If there are, show them. And make sure you can see the mileage. And just film the engine and exhaust running. And if it's applicable and your car has a convertible top, please do the following. Just show the car opening and closing the top consecutively in one video, just so that I can make sure it functions smoothly. These can be expensive to repair if they don't work properly. Thanks so much.